Hey architects, welcome to App Architect, where we lay the blueprints for building powerful applications. I'm Raheem Kareem, your technology host and fellow architect, and today we're diving to the foundation of modern application development, the two-tier architecture. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up your skills, this episode will help you understand how to design and build a simple, scalable, two-tier architecture for your projects. Let's get started.
All right, architects, let's dive into the fundamentals with one of the simplest yet most effective architectural models, the two-tier architecture. And let's use this arcade blueprint to break it down. Here's how it works. In a two-tier architecture, the first tier is the client. This is where users interact with your application. It could be a desktop app, a web browser, or even a mobile application. The second tier consolidates the web application server and the database server on a single machine. This server processes requests from the client, executes the business logic, and retrieves or stores data in the database. Now, why might organizations favor this setup? I'll give you 3 reasons. Number 1, simplicity. It's straightforward and easy to deploy. Number 2, cost efficiency. Everything is centralized, reducing infrastructure complexity. And 3, performance. Since the database and application logic share the same machine, data retrieval is typically faster in small-scale applications. However, architects, there's a trade-off. As your application grows and the number of users increases, this model can struggle with scalability and performance bottlenecks. That's where more advanced architectures, like the 3-tier model, which we'll get into, come into play. But for small-scale apps or MVPs, the 2-tier architecture is an excellent starting point. It's like building the foundation of your development career. Strong, simple, and effective.
At its core, the two-tier architecture consists of 2 layers. The first is the client layer, where users interact with the application. Think of it as your web browser or mobile app. The second is the database layer, which stores and manages your data. This architecture is simple, fast, and great for small to medium-sized applications. It works well when real-time communication is crucial, like in POS systems or small e-commerce platforms. To build a two-tier architecture, you'll need 2 things. A front-end client, this could be something like a React web app, and a database, something like MySQL or Firebase. For example, Firebase offers a great starting point for small-scale apps. Let's head over to their site and see what the hype is all about.
All right, architects, now that you understand the two-tier architecture, let's see it in action with the powerful and beginner-friendly tool, Firebase by Google. Firebase is a platform that's perfect for building simple applications using a two-tier architecture. It consolidates your application logic and database on a single back-end platform. It's cost-effective, scalable for small projects, and eliminates the need for managing infrastructure. Now, let's head over to the Firebase console. This is where the magic happens. From here, you can see all your projects, manage resources, and even create new ones. Let me show you around. Oh, here's that demo project for us to test out. Notice how Firebase simplifies everything. 3 callouts. 1, real-time database. This stores and syncs data in real time across clients. 2, hosting. Firebase allows you to deploy your web app with just a few clicks. And 3, authentication. Managing user sign-ins, covered. And just like that, we have a functional app that users can interact with, leveraging the power of Firebase's simple 2-tier architecture. But wait, there's more. Firebase recently integrated Google's Gemini AI to help you create AI-powered projects. Let's start one together. I'll name this project, I'm going to stop right there. Why? Because now it's your turn to try this out. You've got all the tools you need, architects. The rest is up to you. Stay curious and stay creative.
Now you're ready to design and implement a two-tier architecture for your next project. It's simple, effective, and the perfect starting point for budding architects. Don't forget to subscribe and join me next time where we'll tackle the 3-tier architecture. Until then, architects, keep building brilliance.